In this video, I'm going to talk about finding area between two functions or two curves. So our example is very simple and popular one. So let's say my f of x is equal to square root of x and my g of x is equal to just x. I would like to find the area between these two functions, between the points where they intersect. So let me just sketch it on the rectangular coordinate system and see what it looks like. So square root of x looks like this, right? And you know that y is equal to x looks like this. So this is my g of x is equal to x, and this is my f of x is equal to square root of x. Now I want to find the area between these two functions. So there will be the area right here. So this blue shaded region. It's very easy to find this area, by the way. As you know, if f is a function that's greater than or equal to g on some closed interval ab, and also f and g are continuous on that interval, right? Then we can easily find the area between these two functions by doing the integration from a to b, f of x minus g of x dx. So in our case, it's pretty straightforward. Where do they intersect? Very easy. I set square root of x is equal to x. If I square both sides, I get x is equal to x square, or x square minus x is equal to 0. Then x times x minus 1 is equal to 0. So my 2 points of interest are going to be x equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So the integral from 0 to 1. So now which function is bigger? F of x is bigger function, so which is the square root of x? This one. So it's going to be square root of x minus g of x, which is just x. Okay. So I'm gonna integrate it with respect to x in that interval. By the way, in this interval only square root of x is bigger. After that, y is equal to x, or the straight line takes off. Let me integrate. Square root of x is x to the power 1 half, right? So integral of that is going to be x to the power 1 half plus 1, which is x to the power 3 halves, divided by 3 halves, minus integral of x is just x square over 2, all of it evaluated from 0 to 1. If I simplify it a little further, I'm going to get 2 over 3 times x to the power 3 over 2 minus x square over 2. So for x is equal to 1, evaluated from 0 to 1, for x equal to 1 is going to be 2 over 3 times 1 to the power 3 over 2, minus 1 square over 2. And for 0, both the term vanishes, so we don't need to worry about it. Okay, so that's going to give me 2/3. This is going to be 1 minus 1 half, which is going to be 4 over 6 minus 3 over 6, which is just 1 over 6. So that's how you find the area between two given functions in certain interval. Between the two functions and given interval, you find the area between them. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.